Hello and welcome. So it's 8 o'clock in the morning. The highest water level was around 8 hours ago, or thereabouts approximately, and this is what the polder looks like. So you can see it's absolutely waterlogged. 3 nights ago I walked past here and the farmers were collecting in the harvest at night, and now you see that that was a pretty good idea, and just as well that they did it. So the campsite where I live is to the other side of the dyke. The dyke, which I can show you here, actually runs around there. There's the dyke. So I put the camera out maximum. I'll bring it in a little bit. I'll bring it out, I think you can see a bit better. Okay, well the campsite is actually to the left, so it's behind the bushes over here. But okay, so it's wet, but it's not. Didn't penetrate the other side. So we've got there's a factory there, and you can see further down we've got the power station, and there's another factory a bit further down, Parker. And the river Odra is over there. You can't see it. It's beyond the tree line down there. So I'll take it out again. And so anyway, I wasn't actually worried at the end, because I thought, even though the news that came through in the evening was quite, it was a bit disturbing, because it was suggesting, whereas earlier been suggesting that the water level was going to be 60 centimeters lower than originally predicted. As it turned out, it was actually higher than the original prediction, but in any case it was held. And it was just as well the farmer got his harvest in, because you can see from here what's happened. So that saved him a lot of financial loss, or her. I don't know if the farmer's a male or female. So anyway, thanks to those who actually wrote to me and contacted me about this flood, and as from our end it's not too bad. Anyway, let's go and see what it's like elsewhere.